The Bitcoin bull market is starting, and I think this is one of the most important Bitcoin update videos I filmed because we're starting to go almost all in our $10,000 trading challenge into Bitcoin. So two of our positions are already filled. We have two more left. And if you've been watching the prior two videos, then you know what I'm talking about because we set these positions earlier on. We assumed that Bitcoin would be breaking from this bull flag and so many other bullish patterns. So if you want to know why I'm longing Bitcoin here, then it's a good idea to go back and watch the previous two videos because it will explain to you all the bullish reasons that I'm seeing for Bitcoin to expect an all-time high very soon. And on the last video, I said, forget about these three positions. I will let them to open when they do. I also want to enter a new FOMO position because on the lower time frames, like the 4-hourly time frame, we were breaking above a falling wedge pattern and a double bottom pattern too. So this was last Friday. Today is Monday. I expected the bullish move to continue into Monday onwards. So I am currently long on Bitcoin, only around 13 or 19% in the profits, but I think this will increase as Bitcoin continues to break out from the bull flag and the rest of our $100,000 worth in positions get activated. As you guys know, my current bullish projection for Bitcoin is around $135,000, and honestly, it could end up going to 200, it could end up going to 100K. There's no way to predict exactly which price target Bitcoin will go to. There's no model in the world which will give us an exact pinpoint on, okay, Bitcoin is going to top out here. There's no way to predict this because when you go into new all-time high territory, it's uncharted, so there's no way to put support and resistance. Instead, you have to make guesstimations from different patterns and different extrapolations. So I am thinking that Bitcoin can go to 135, but it can very much go to 200, or it can go to 95 and top out at 95K as well. So we have to be very pragmatic with our long positions. So that is why I don't have a take profit set yet, but I will be putting my take profit eventually when we start to understand where Bitcoin is feeling toppy, when retail comes in, when sentiment goes to 100% greed, then we can think of taking profit. But currently, I will be leaving this long position. I think it is still an interesting time to be going long. You could, if you want to, wait for this daily candle to close above 65.9 in a bullish confirmation because it is important resistance. And when we flip it into support, that could be an interesting time to go long if you've not been watching these prior two videos already. But to the crypto kids that have been watching, then massive congratulations. Make sure to join the Crypto Kid trading competition because if whoever makes the most money in the second leg and the final leg of the bull market get to win not only profits from their positions, but also rewards such as Apple Watches and iPhones and so many other cool stuff, including CryptoKid hoodies and chances to meet Da Vinci and Carl themselves. And I will be adding more cool prizes. So make sure to join this trading competition. Let's have a battle between the crypto kids and see who becomes the most profitable trader of the final leg of the Bitcoin bull market. But honestly, I'm very excited. The altcoins are performing well. I did take profit from a lot of these altcoins, especially the top tier meme coins. And I think I'll leave the gaming projects to a little more. The degen investments, I've also tried to take some profit from and put it back into Bitcoin because I really believe that this cycle is going to be the Bitcoin, at least this point in the cycle is going to be where Bitcoin outperforms a majority of the altcoins. And when Bitcoin reaches 100K, 90K, that's when retail will be flooding back in and altcoins, meme coins, and I think all the major crypto cap projects, they will probably see a 10 to 15x. So when Bitcoin is 90K, I will be closing some of my long positions and maybe 30% of them just put into altcoins because I think they will see a bigger price appreciation. Like if you look at the past 7 days, Bitcoin's up 4% and altcoins, they're up 2%, 1%. If you look at Shiba Inu, only up 1.1%. So it's just showing to you that altcoin season is far from being here. And the time where we see altcoin season could be even in next summer. So there's still a lot of time where a lot of these large market cap projects tend to see 40% returns when Bitcoin goes up by 4%. That's what altcoin season will look like. You're going to wake up one day and you're going to have, double the money you have in your portfolio than you had the previous day. That is what altcoin season will look like. But in the meantime, I think Bitcoin will be the larger performing asset. So whatever, altcoins that I have, I'm trying to sell and put them back into Bitcoin. And then eventually I will buy back into those same altcoins and same projects and probably different ones. I like internet computing a lot actually now. I've been researching about internet computing and different logistic companies. Like I'm finding some pretty interesting stuff that I think have future revenue models which are going to be sustainable. And those are the projects which I'll be buying, especially blockchain gaming. I'm very bullish on that. I've been very bullish on that for so many months now. And those coins will be a large majority of my portfolio alongside Bitcoin. But currently I think being long in Bitcoin, having some Ethereum on the side is the way to go. And if Bitcoin is able to flip this resistance into support, then I'm expecting a major 7-month rally to potentially 135 and beyond. And the second half of October, I mean, I mentioned this, like October is a very long month, and I said the first half could be bearish like September, but the second half can make up for all of it. So there's no need to panic. And I just think very exciting times are awaiting us. By the end of this week, it's even possible that we reach a new all-time high. Let's see what happens. But if we do, in the chance that we do, then you want to be following up with every single video. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and smash up the like button if you enjoy these videos. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll see you all on the next video very soon. So guys, take care and bye-bye.